Hi everyone, and these people came here in Munnar. Welcome to Munnar also. And this one is the place is Sunrise Point. This name is top station. I think this is sea level to 6,000 feet is here. And you can see that backside also. His son is came here. And also now you can see the, for some near estate is there. That also famous in Munnar for kolukkumalai. His name is kolukkumalai. So one of the tea in Munnar in best quality. And also here that side you can see the tent camping, trekking, everything is here. We're gonna for by walking kilometers of trekking is here, and also tent camping. You have a beautiful nature, you can see that. And these people's maximum will come to visit for this sightseeing. It's the best one of the place in top stations in Munnar.
Okay.
And the sir is asking for a Munnar to one day what places we can see. Yeah, definitely I'm explaining it. We're going for a one day. Actually, it's a Munnar is 3 days program. We're gonna go for a direction will be started will be for a mattupetty directions and Coimbatore directions and Cochin directions and also Tekidi directions. We go to for one day. We will prefer for 2 directions, and nearby in a mattupetty we can see for a lot of beautiful places in a tea gardens areas. So first we'll start at the places, the tea garden photo point. Everyone will ask for so if I want tea garden photos. So they are prepared for tea garden photos and first points. And second one is the elephant ride is here. Elephant ride, he will be started in 600 rupees per persons in a ride, and also he will take for photos, and also a bath, elephant bath is here. And third one is a Mattupetty Dam. This one is a big one in the Munnar, 1,600 of feet in depth, and also they are suitable for lot of movies. And example I'll tell him na is a Chennai Express, and last time we can for a lot more movies. And fourth one will go for a echo point. We're gonna for people are many more asking for a echo point because he'll do for some what I'm saying expecting. So echo point is a fourth one, and fifth one is a Gundale Lake. It'll maximum prepared for couples and for students, because he'll look like some boating and also pedal boating, speed boating, so everything is here. And sixth one is top station. Now he's telling him, it's a morning also sunrise will came, and also otherwise daytime we'll visit for a sunrise is good. Okay. So and also next we'll go for any other direction. Example I'll tell him Cochin directions. Cochin direction will cover for Athukad waterfalls. Hill in a beautiful waterfalls we can see for nearby in a visit and photos, and also everything is here. And also near one is a sunset point is here. Sunset point is good, and also here to 1,200 meters of zip line is there. Zip lines. The maximum people will do for some adventures. So we can possible for 1,200 feet. They are charging for 500 per person each persons. And also nearby in dams, lot of dam is here. And nearby, you know that Kerala people, so Kerala is most famous as Idikki Dam. So maximum visitor, because this one is a big one is a Kerala. So maximum possible these places are in a one day.
Okay.
And other will be you will catch out a lot of places in Eravikulam National Park. It's one of the famous places in Munnar. Oh. But it will be taken for 3 hours or minimum 4 hours. Okay. Because he will taken for 8 kilometers in high feet. Because there's one of the height peak of Munnar. Actually 8,848 feet in Anamudi. It's the South India's first highest peak in Munnar only. So definitely people should make me watch. Their places are going to be started with the morning 7 o'clock only. So 7 o'clock to arrival for 4 o'clock. The ticket is possible. They are charging I think 200 rupees per person, and including for bus service for up and down. And we can visit for top viewpoints and museums. And you know that 12 years only will come the Kurinji flowers. You can search Googles, because the Kurinji flowers are very famous. We can see the Kurinji flowers, not in this seasons. They are came in 12 years only. So past 5 years they go. So last 7 years will come. 7 years will come now, the flowers. And we can see for the tar. Tar means Nilagiri tar. It's a variety coats.
Okay.
We can see for only for Munnar only. And nearby some Lakkam waterfalls is there. Lakkam waterfalls, everyone, you can see the lot of movies also that are so beautiful. And also here tea museums and tea factory, lot more places is here.
Okay.
We can maximum enjoy the Munnar.
Thank you. చూశారు కదా బాహు ఇంగ్లీష్లో అయితే ఎరగదీశాడు, కానీ తెలుగు బాగా వచ్చు. మీరు కనుక డెఫినెట్గా మున్నార్ వస్తే, మీకంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలంటే ఈయన నెంబర్ అయితే నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను, లేదా కామెంట్ చేసినా కూడా మీకైతే నేను ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తాడు. ఆయనకి తెలుగు వచ్చు, మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే తెలుగు వచ్చు. సో కంపల్సరీ మీకైతే కొంచెం హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉంటాడు. ఓకే, మా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ ఎవరైనా సరే ఫోన్ చేసి నా పేరు చెప్తే అన్నీ బాగా చూపించాలి, అలాగే మంచి ప్రైసెస్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే,
Munnar, visit in Munnar.
ఓకేనా?
Okay. Welcome to Munnar.